is under the snow. This is just great. Let me take a walk over here. The street is just crowded with snow. We don't know what Tom Brady's doing. This is madness today. Look at this. I gotta shovel my car out of here. Look. This is brutal. This is what happens when you live in Salvo and you live in city parking. Look at it. It's up to the tire. It's up to the tire. This is madness. This is absolute madness. Let's take a look here. Look at the street. Unbelievable. It's up to my knee here. This is what happened. Look, it's past my knee.
You know what they say about parking your car up there. I mean, there's whole phrases all about it. I can listen to him.
It's madness.
It's madness.
We don't know what's
Jackie.
going on with Tom Brady.
I'm
The
not
snow
sure
is
what,
up to my knees.
I can't